By the end of this session, you will meet the version of yourself who already made the right choices. That person is waiting. Close your eyes and gently return to yourself. Before the world tells you who to be, before the noise tells you what matters, come back to this simple truth. You are not only a product of your circumstances. You are a creator of choices, a creator of meaning, a creator of small actions that slowly shape an extraordinary life. Take a deep breath in and release. Today is not something that happens to me. Today is something I participate in. I choose to see my actions with purpose. The things I do today matter. Every small choice is a message to myself. This is who I am becoming. I care for my body because my body carries my dreams. I protect my peace because my mind creates my reality. I invest in my growth because my potential deserves attention. I treat people with kindness because my energy leaves a footprint. I do meaningful work because my contribution matters. My actions are not obligations. They are expressions of the person I choose to become. I release the need to control everything, and I return my focus to what I can influence. My thoughts, my choices, my responses, my next step. I do not need perfect conditions to begin. I begin and create better conditions. I have changed before. I have learned before. I have overcome before. The evidence is already within me. I am capable of adaptation. I am capable of growth. I am capable of becoming. I am not walking this path alone. Every person trying to grow, every person trying to heal, every person trying to become better is walking with me. I allow myself to receive support. I allow myself to be seen. I allow myself to belong. The best version of me creates space for the best in others. Today, I choose foods that respect my future self. I choose movement because I am grateful to move. I choose rest because recovery is part of growth. body is not a project to fix. It is a partner to listen to. Every healthy choice tells my body, I am on your side. I trust the work I am building. I do not compare my chapter to someone else's story. My curiosity guides me. My effort compounds. My skills expand. Every day I practice, I become the kind of person who naturally creates opportunities. Abundance is not something I chase. It is something I create alignment with. I notice possibilities. I welcome ideas. I take meaningful action. I allow myself to receive. The future is not built by wishing. It is built by believing, choosing, and moving. One small aligned action at a time. I bring the energy I hope to find. I listen. I understand. I connect. I choose relationships where I can grow and where others can grow beside me. I am worthy of respect. I am worthy of kindness. I am worthy of love. Imagine yourself 1 year from now, not a completely different person, but a person who kept choosing, again and again. A person who trusted small steps. A person who honored their intentions. That future version of you whispers, "Thank you for starting. Thank you for believing. Thank you for choosing us." Take a final deep breath. One full breath in and out. Today, my thoughts align with my values. My choices align with my vision. My actions align with my future. I don't wait for my life to change. I participate in creating it. One breath, one choice, one day at a time.